guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this illusion crochet, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, I'm using these cornrows that I've had in for about a week. I love using old cornrows because they make the crochet look so natural. I'm using this crochet needle that I got from Amazon, and this hair is from Amazon as well. This is the Water Wave Expression hair in color F430. Oh my gosh, I'm into 30, as you guys already know, and I'm using coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil, you know, to moisturize my scalp. I'm moisturizing before I do my crochets because I don't like to have my hair soaked, you know what I'm saying? So I usually moisturize before I get my hair crocheted, guys. So I'm just massaging my scalp. I'm taking the hair out of the pack. That's how exactly it comes. I'm just gonna separate it and separate the hair into two. Anyway, girls, so I'm just gonna be showing you how to crochet, how I do my crochet, and I just place the needle in, guys, like that, and then I'm just gonna take the hair that I've separated, you know, and then, you know, just loop it around my finger a little bit. That makes it easier for me to put it on the crochet needle, guys. When I pull it out, I'm doing it twice, so I'm tying it twice, guys, because I like that way it's nice and secure. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna separate the hair and then tag it along. That way it's really secure, guys. This hair is like a little silky, so if you don't secure it well, it's going to, you know, come undone, like unravel or something like that. Okay, so make sure you're tying it twice, guys. That way it is nice and secure. And actually it's very easy. Oh my gosh, as you guys already know, I always say everything that I'm doing is easy, but this hairstyle right here, guys, oh my gosh, it is so easy. And actually I got this done in about 2.5 hours, just because my daughter was acting up. But otherwise, if you're like determined, you can get it done like in like an hour and a half or two. The hair that I got from Amazon was about $26, I think, and it was a pack of 4, so I'm using all 4 packs. And I like my hair full. If you don't want your hair to be too full, don't use all the packs, you know, you can use 3, but I love my hair full, guys. And when you have your hair full in a crochet, it looks really good. I don't know, it's just me. So this one was a pack of 4 and 14 inches, guys. I like to start with the back, guys, and then I go all the way to the front. Like I go from the back and then I go to the sides and then I go to the top of my head, guys, because I like the way, I just like to make sure like it's nice and getting full and everything. So I'm sure you guys are like, girl, you on this 30. Yes, girl, I told you guys I am into number 30. Oh my gosh, I was like, girl, I'm trying to bring out my inner Beyonce. Hey, so because you know Beyonce likes some 30, you know, but I wanted the black as well, like the 4, to blend it in, you know. I want it to look like my hair, like you just have like some highlights, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I went with this F430, and girl, I am loving it. I'm like, sis, I'm about to be like Miss 30 or something, okay? When you're doing the crochet, when you come to the front, you don't want it to be too tight because you want it to look like your hair. So when you come to the front, you're going to leave a little space. So I don't go all the way to my edges. I go like, you know, like maybe a little space from my edges. That way, it looks really natural. Okay, so if, you know, if the wind is blowing, and even if you wanted to put it up, you can actually put it up because it looks like your hair. It looks like it's growing out of your hair. And you can just brush a little bit of your edges if you want. You know what I'm saying? This hair is good. I love it. First time I tried this hair, it lasted me like a while, like a month or so. So yeah, and it was still looking good. Just make sure you wear something at night, and that way it looks like really good for a while. The first time I tried it in black, so this is the second time, and I was like, sis, I'm just gonna try some color, you know, just to make sure, you know, we looking good out here, okay? The same technique all the way through. The crochet is the easiest style that you guys can do. Like seriously, it looks good, it's easy, it's cheap. Girl, why not? Oh my gosh, guys, I am so in love with this hair, and this hair is really, really nice and soft and light, and it, oh girl. I like to do them a little closer together when I come to the front side, you know, as you guys can see right there. I like them very close together because I like them to look really, really natural. This time I wanted this to be a side parting, but you know what, your sis was like, let me just try the middle part as well. So that's why I don't have it like in a straight line, because I did not want it to be a middle part, but it still came all the way through. So I wanted to show you guys that you can also rock it in a middle part. Okay. And then I'm just gonna frame my face a little bit. I don't like to cut too much, but I like to frame my face. The illusion part, I just take my brush. This is my Diana brush. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair, you know, towards the center, like towards the parting, guys. So that way it looks like my hair is growing. You see how it looks a little fuzzy on the top right there? That's the whole point, guys. So voila, guys. See how it looks like my actual hair is because of the illusion. Sis, I'm not about to be hiding all the secrets, honey. I am spilling. But I just wanted to see if the middle part was gonna look good as well. So I'm just, you know, doing the illusion as well. And you know, your girl has to add a little shine, you know, to this hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my Garnier, honey, and that's it. Boo boo, honey, child, sister. Yes, girl. So this is it. This is how I achieve my illusion crochet. As you guys can see, it actually looks like it is my hair. It looks like it is growing out of my scalp, and that's the whole point. Just brush where you want the parting to be, and you know, brush your hairs, leave your hairs out a little bit. Do not use no gel. That way it looks really, really, you know, real. Okay. I love how this hair came all the way through. Yes, sister, yes. Okay, sis. Honey, big hair don't care. We out here. We living. I am living for this hair, honey. I am here for it. Okay? And look at the color. I feel like this color is for me, honey. It just complements my skin tone. Okay, sis. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.